Hey friends, we're out in the garage doing some woodworking today, and I want to show you a new product that I just got that's going to make life just a little bit easier for these projects. Now, when I'm doing woodworking projects, I usually have a ton of different tools out that I'm potentially working with. I usually have my chop saw. Maybe we have one of our handheld power tools that I'm charging. We'll get the shop vac out later here to clean stuff up. I just have a ton of different stuff that I'm plugging and unplugging if I just have a single outlet. So that's where today's product really has helped. This is a CRST Rocket Socket Technologies surge protector with multiple outlets and 2 USB ports. This is going to allow me to plug in all of my garage items to really get that nice both surge protection as well as a single source for my power, so I don't have to keep unplugging and plugging things back in. Now, I like having this outside because it does have a 15-foot cord, so I can drag it around to places where I need it. But this is also going to be super handy as a wall-mounted piece of equipment. You can see it has a couple of areas right here where you can put some screws in, mount it up on the wall to make things really nice and convenient, maybe over a workbench. Now again, there are 10 sockets, and as you can see, they're built a little bit close to each other. So if you just have the standard kind of plug-in areas, this is going to work just perfectly. If you have the big blocky things like on my power drill charger, those will only be able to be supported with 2 across. We've got a really handy little power switch that we can click on, giving power to all of our tools at once here so we can select what we wanted. We also have a nice little light that's showing it's protected. Now this thing is also really well built. It has this really nice metal housing that really gives it a lot of strong durability. Again, something I need in the garage. I'm moving things around a lot. You can see it's out here on the cement, being slammed around. So having this metal case to give that extra protection is really, really good. So there you go, friends. That is the CRST Rocket Socket Technologies Surge Protector. It's a 10 plug outlet. Pretty cool little piece of equipment. Should help with your garage projects here in the future. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can find it here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We've got a bunch more of these little review videos to make your life just a little bit easier. See you on the next one.